Hello everyone, this is my fresh WordPress website and I'm going to install WooCommerce inside this website. Okay, so this is a fresh WooCommerce website and I'm going to create few things and I'm going to install WooCommerce. If you are also trying to install your WooCommerce inside your WordPress website, and this video might help you. So without any late, let's begin. Okay guys, so first of all I am inside my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so in this time I am using WordPress 6.0.1 version. So first of all you have to go in the plugin and just click in the add new, and just wait for a moment. It is taking a little bit time, and just you have to click in this box and you have to search the plugin WooCommerce. Okay, just I am typing Woo and it will find out this plugin and you have to install this one. So now we can see here WooCommerce plugin is installing inside my WordPress website. Okay, so now we can see it is successfully installed inside my website. Then just you have to activate it. Okay guys, so after activating it, just you have to fill up your address. So after filling all the details, just you have to click in the continue. It is telling that 𝗵𝗲𝗆𝗆 WooCommerce, and just you have to click in the no thanks, or if you want to make more things, then you have to click in the 𝗧𝘂𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗹 in, but in this time I am just clicking in the no thanks. Now it is asking me the store's industry. Okay, so yeah, this is the second step and you have to choose your business category. I am choosing this one, food and drink, and just clicking in the continue. So now you have to choose your product types. So there are various types of the product types. The first one is the physical products, downloads, subscriptions, memberships and bookings. Okay, so for the physical products and for the downloads it is free of cost. Okay, and for the subscription, membership and booking you have to pay those amount. Okay, so in this time I am just using the physical products because I am doing the restaurant related business, so that's why I am choosing this one. So click in the continue to install your WooCommerce plugin. Now it is asking me the business details. Now you have to provide your product detail, so how many product you have. So I am just choosing 1 to 10, and you have to choose your options. Okay, so you are selling in the WooCommerce only, or you are selling in the another platform also, and this time I am just choosing no. And now you can see in the bottom it is telling me that I am setting up a store for a client. Okay, so if you are creating this WooCommerce website for yourself, then just you don't have to tick this one. But if you are creating the WooCommerce website, then just you have to tick here. Okay, so in this time also I am setting up a store for a client, then just click in the continue. Now you can see here it is telling me that included business feature. Okay, so it is recommending a few things. So for example, so it is telling me to install 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗵𝗆 and Google listing and ads. Those are the free plugins you have to install. Okay, and it will help you to create more powerful WordPress website. Okay, so those are the free WordPress plugin. So I'm just clicking in the continue. So guys, now WooCommerce successfully installed the necessary WordPress plugin such as 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗆 and Google Ad Listings and 𝗵𝗲𝗆𝗆. Okay, so it is asking me to choose a theme. Okay, so there are paid theme and free theme also available, but in this time I am using free theme. Okay, so I am just choosing the storefront front free theme, so which is by default themes of WooCommerce, and I am clicking in the choose. Okay guys, so now you can see it is asking me to connect my 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆 account with this store. Okay, so I have already a 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆 account, so that's why it is asking me to approve this one, or you can use another account also from here. Okay, but in this time I have already a 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆 account, so that's why I am just clicking in the approve button. Now the WooCommerce installation process is moving on, and the authorizing your connection is doing itself by WooCommerce and 𝗳𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗆. So now you can see it in this site I have successfully installed the WooCommerce. Okay, so now You can see here there are various type of the things, and it is telling me that get ready to start selling, and it is telling me to complete the 6 orders, right? Okay guys, so if I reload my website, so now you can see here it is changing the things right here. So now we can say here is home, cart, check out my accounts, like that. Okay, so guys, we successfully install our WooCommerce inside WordPress website, and hoping that you get few ideas. So if you want to create, or if you want to learn more about the WooCommerce, then let me know in the comment sections. I'll create another new video related with WooCommerce if you want to know more about the WooCommerce. Hoping that you get few ideas about the WooCommerce, and you are also able to install WooCommerce inside your WordPress website. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.